Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to be harvesting corn. I will not be in my kitchen today. So guys, please come along with me if you are interested. Before we start the video, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So guys, I am new to farming. I started my garden in February of this year. So this is my first time harvesting corn. I did not really know how to do it, but I watched a video on YouTube and it showed me how to do it. So I am just going to apply what I learned. One right here. So normally to know if it is ready, I feel right here, and also I feel it to see how far. Sometimes it may not full come right up, but once it is about here, then it's okay. So first I'm going to test a few to see if it is ready, then I'm going to harvest them. So here is another one. This one is a bit smaller than the one I was at a while ago, but I'm gonna feel it. So it comes to about here, so I'm still gonna harvest it because I don't want it to stay there too long and then it cannot be eaten or it takes too long to cook. So I'm going to check again to see if I find any other ready one. This one right here, it is dry, but it doesn't really have much in it. It is about right here, so I'm just gonna give it a few more days to see if it will fill up more. So guys, this is another one that I showed you in the video. This one is very ready. This one is fully ready, so I am going to harvest this one. Right here, that's another one. So this one is ready also, so I'm gonna start harvesting them now. So I just peel it down, kind of peel down the leaves. This is how I do it. This is actually my first time, I'm just here trying my best to remove it. So guys, see it here, I harvested this one. So I am going to move on to another one. This is the one I'm going to be harvesting now, so I'm just going to remove the leaves as I did before. And I'm going to pluck it out. Oh, that's another one, guys. I am so proud of myself. That's the other one. So I'm just gonna repeat the process that I did earlier with the other two. I'm just gonna remove the leaves because I'm using my hands, one hand to do the video, so it's a bit complicated for me to break it out. But please bear with me, guys. Okay, so here is another one. So guys, this is the last one. Oh, yeah. Guys, this is the smallest one. So guys, I don't have any more corn to harvest as yet. I have a few on the tree that is coming up, but they are not fully ready. There's another one over here. So one just coming up. This is another one, but as I say, I'm going to give it a few more days because it is about here. Right down here it is, so it needs more time. Over here, see a little one just coming up. And see another one right here. See another one around here. So I'm going to have a few more to harvest, but not yet. See another one here right in the center of the leaves. See another one coming up right here. So guys, sorry about the noise of the chickens. My neighbors, they have chicken at their home, so they are very annoying to me. But you know, I can't tell people what to have at their house, so I just have to accept people for what they choose to have at their home. So here is one more, another. So one more here coming up, and see a little one right over there. So, and another one at the bottom right here. So I have many more to harvest, but I just have to wait until the time comes for them to be reaped. Orange that I just harvested, I actually would want to remove the leaves from one and let you see how it looks. So I'm going to gently do so, since I am using one hand. It's gonna take a little while. Just gonna do the small one since it has less to take off. So guys, this is my first time harvesting corn. I feel so happy, guys. It's like, you know, the first time you're doing something and you do it good, it's like, you know, that nice feeling. That's what I feel inside now, you know. And it's a really nice feeling, guys. You know, I love when people eat what they grow and grow what they eat. So guys, if you enjoy this video, as I said earlier, please remember to tap the subscribe button, also like, share, comment for more videos. All right guys, I love to hear from you, and I'm hoping to see you in another video. So take care of yourselves, guys. Go and plant it on the backyard, and if you haven't yet started, please do so.